Hi friends, and welcome to our Friday math lesson. Today we are still going to be able to measure an angle using a protractor in whole number degrees, but today your goal is to create the angles using the protractor. So you are going to get onto everyday math. So when you log in, this is what you will pull up to, and today we're going to be going to the e-toolkit. So once you are on the e-toolkit, this is what it looks like. So the first step that you are going to do in order to complete your assignment today is you're going to click on the protractor, which is down at the bottom. It's like a semicircle and it has some lines. It's in between the one that looks like a clock and then a triangle with a circle in it. So you're going to click the one that I have highlighted. You now see it in blue, and up will pop a protractor. So one thing to tell you, on your class kick, it's going to tell you whether your angle needs to open up to the left or to the right. So down here at the bottom where it says reverse off, that's meaning it's going to open to the right. So if I'm moving my red, you see that I now created an angle that is open to the right side. So if you want to switch it and go to the left, you're going to click it, and now it's going to say reverse on, and you are able to have an angle that opens to the left. So make sure you're reading the instructions on your class kick to determine which way you need to open your angle. So let's say I want to create an angle that is open to the right at 45 degrees. So I'm going to turn my reverse back off, and that way I'm going to have a right open angle. So if I want to get to 45 degrees, the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take this red line here and I'm going to move it to 45. So because it's opening to the right, we're going to use that bottom set of numbers. So I see 40 here. So that means it's going to be halfway in between 40 and 50. So that marks my 45. So now that I've moved it, you're going to push create an angle at the bottom. So that same area where it says reverse off, it says create ray or create angle, you're going to push create angle, and then it turns that red line into a dark line now. So now you can drag that angle and you're just going to put it off to the side here. And then now what you're going to do, you're just going to screenshot your picture of your protractor and your angle and take that picture and put it into your class kick. So I'm going to switch it over to class kick here, and then I will show you what your assignment looks like from there. So when you are on your assignment on Friday, April 10th, you will see that I have laid out all of the steps that I just talked through when you were on the e-toolkit. So this is where you will figure out what degrees that you need to measure. So for now that I have that, I can just click my photos, choose from photos, and then I'm going to select that picture there that I chose and push done. It's going to make it really big, and then I'm just going to make it little, and then I'm going to put it in the box of 45 degrees or whatever it was that you need to measure. So as you can see, your when you are doing yours, it says create an angle that is 71 degrees to the left, create an angle that is 135 degrees to the right. So you will have 12 different angles that you are going to make similar to mine. So you have 6 on this slide, and then you will have 6 on this slide as well. When you are finished, you are going to go ahead and upload your finished work into Seesaw. Good luck using your protractors today, friends.